welcome back to my channel. It's the Mass of Sanyu, and as you can see, I have another unboxing today. So actually this was ordered. No, I went to the store, but it's not available on when we went there. So I paid the product, but they ordered and it was delivered in my house a week ago. And of course, because I'm so tired from work, plus I don't know, I really don't want to unbox right away what I purchased. I'm so excited to buy stuff, but when it comes and it arrives in my house, I don't want to open it right away. I don't know why, but if it's clothes, it's a different story. But for this one, I didn't open it right away just because. So anyways, I got this and I've been wanting to have one. Actually, we already have stuff like this, but I've been borrowing Justine's and Chelsea, so I decided to buy my own since I didn't purchase big. I don't have big purchases since, I don't know, COVID days. So I decided to get this one, and yeah, and I supposed to be getting something for my birthday, a big purchase, but I decided not to. So anyways, I'm justifying what I got and I'm justifying what I bought. So allow me to let you know what's inside these boxes. Actually, this one is just for free from this one. Let's open this first, and I hope I can open it. So yeah, this one is just free from the stuff that I got, and it is I can open it. Struggle is free. I drop it. So I got a free AirPods. So this is free from something. I got this. I hope you can see that, the glare, whatever. Anyway, this is just a regular AirPods, and it's not the one that's noise cancellation, because if I get that one I have to pay another $90, but this one is $156 plus tax plus, and I got this for free. Yeah, it's a regular iPad. I already have one, but one doesn't want a free stuff. So anyway, so I got this one, and this one is the real deal. If I can open it. Why I didn't get a zipper? So this one is the iPad Pro. So I think I'm too late to get an iPad Pro. This has been out for a couple of months now, and I just decided to get one right now because Justine doesn't want to lend me hers anymore. So she kept on telling me to buy my own. So yeah, I decided to buy my own iPad Pro, and it is 256 gigabytes. Let's see, and I still need to buy a protector, some accessories to put into, and I got the silver and gray one, which is nice. And I think the difference with the iPod is the camera. They said that the resolution is much better than the iPod itself. But imagine I already dropped this when I was trying to open it. I hope this will work. Anyway, so yeah, it is the iPad Pro, 256 gigabytes. So it's so nice because it's so thin and it's so handy. Not really, because I need something to put in here because I don't want this to scratch or to get break, because I always drop something. I always drop my stuff. And yeah, so also comes with, of course, the charger. This is the charger, and this, I think the charger of this one is different from the iPhone or iPod because the cord looks different. But yeah, isn't it so nice? So nice. I love the color than the other ones, and I hope we can try this. I don't even know how to open it yet. So fun. Let's see if I can open it. Ta-da! I was able to open it. This is the problem. I was just want to emphasize with you guys because my window from here is so bright. So if I'm trying to do a live stream over here, then it's gonna be so bright if it's against the light. That's why I always turn off my camera. And sooner or later, I was able to put this all together, but I bought some stuff over to make this work, especially with this unboxing, live streaming, and all that stuff that I'm filming here in my room. So watch out for that. I'm gonna unbox all the stuff that I bought from Amazon in a couple of days. And yeah, I've been telling so many stuff again and not related to this unboxing, but yeah, I have this and it is working. So this is the iPad Pro, and I got this for about I got a discount for, I think it's the college discount or in my, I don't remember what, but yeah. So yeah, I got this 256 gigabyte for about $900 plus, but I got the AirPods for free. It's $156 plus. I got $50 gift cards, so rebate, and this has discounted too, plus a 4-year warranty, so it's really worth it. Plus I really wanted it, so yes. So and I was able to use this for whatever. So I guess that's it for today for my unboxing of the AirPod Pro and my, what did I say? AirPod Pro and my AirPods. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I don't want to brag about getting stuff in. I just want to share with you all the blessings that I've been receiving, and one of this is I was able to get some stuff that I wanted to, and I'm justifying my purchase again. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining me in this episode, and please watch out for other stuff that's coming on my channel, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, the rest of your day, and God bless us all. Find peace in your hearts. Bye everyone. Thank you for supporting the Max of San Diego. Bye.